Racing just is started. We have Valiente break quickly at the start, moving up on the outside. Sweet Peanut, Barako, Real Triumph. Next online is Raymond Star, Amazing Pace, Blueprint, Cool Goddess, Santiago, Music Quest, Striking Thunder comes next. And going along for the first turn, we have Barako, moves by about 2 lengths. Valiente in second. Sweet Peanut is down in third. Real Triumph comes next. Amazing Pace, Blueprint, Cool Goddess. Then followed over by Striking Thunder, Raymond Star, Silver Place in the middle, and on the outside Santiago. Then followed over by Sunday Street, Music Quest, while Beat the Hit is racing in 14th. We have Barako by about 4 lengths. Valiente in second. Down in third now is Amazing Pace. Moving up now on the outside, Blueprint. Real Triumph comes next. Then followed over by Silver Praise. Striking Thunder, Cool Goddess, Santiago comes next. Raymond Star, Sunday Street, Sweet Peanut, Beat the Hit. While Music Quest now racing in 14th. As they swing for home, we have Barako by about 2 lengths. Then here comes Silver Place, now coming closer in second with about 100 meters of the race. Barako, Silver Place moving up on the outside. Barako, Silver Place on the outside. Barako, Silver Place, and finally it's a close finish. Barako, Silver Place, then comes a close finish with Santiago and Silver Place.
Yung po muna ang inyong mga ticket.
May photo tayo.
Meron tayong photo, yan, no? Sa ating thought board. For first, third, and fifth.
Ayos ah.
Kadikit-dikit sila. Meanwhile, ang naitalang preba dito sa karerang ito, 1 minute 32 seconds flat. Ang mga kwartos, 12.5, 24.5, 26 at nagtapos pa ng 29.
32 flat. Alright, let's have a look at the slow-mo. Between 4 and 10, doink. Okay. Between 1 and 5.
Sinay.
Oh, Santiago.
Oo.
Tapos dito, between Cool Goddess and Sunday Street. Copy that. And we'll be right back when we're ready with the results and the dividends.